In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your email address on Facebook app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first step, we need to open up Facebook app, sign into our Facebook account, and then head over to menu. On menu, we can easily find that gear. Just tap on it to go to settings and privacy, and then tap somewhere here to open up Meta Account Center. Once it is done, guys, to continue, tap add personal details here, and that's where we can easily find contact info. If we get into it, it will show us all our email addresses and phone numbers associated with our Meta Account Center. Yes, we can have several email addresses and phone numbers here. And if we tap at each email address, it will show us the exact accounts, including Facebook and Instagram accounts associated with that email address. So that's how we can easily find it. And also here we can manage our contact information. We can add new contact. If we tap right here, we can add a new mobile number or email address. And then also we can delete existing ones. If we, let's say, open up email address, down below here we'll be able to delete it from our Meta Account Center. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.